Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate your sales funnel with HubSpot beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account.
Once logged in, navigate to the Marketing tab on the main dashboard.
Within the Marketing section, click on Lead Capture.
Select the Forms option to start creating a new form. Choose between the different types of forms based on your needs.
For beginners, the inline form option is user-friendly. Click on Create Form and choose the template that suits your business.
Customize the form by adding the fields you need, such as name and email address. Once you are satisfied with your form, click on the Publish button. Next, go back to the Marketing section and select Email. Click on Create Email to start building your first automated email. Choose Regular for a standard email campaign. Input a subject line that captures attention. Customize the email by adding your branding elements and content. Utilize personalization tokens to make your emails more engaging. Once completed, click Next to set the recipients. Select the list of contacts you want to receive this email. Now, go to the Automation tab from the main dashboard. Click on Workflows to create your automated sales funnel.
Select Create Workflow and choose a Start from Scratch option. Set your workflow to trigger based on form submissions from the form you created earlier.
Add actions to your workflow, starting with Send Email. Choose the email you previously designed for this automation. Include additional actions like delay for timing your follow-up emails. Continue adding actions, such as send internal notification for your team. Once you feel the workflow is complete, click Review to check your setup. Finally, click on Turn On to activate your automated sales funnel. Monitor your metrics in the Analytics section to track performance. Adjust and optimize your funnel as needed based on the data you gather.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.